everyone, Sarah the Catholic Homemaker here. Today I wanted to share with you an unconventional deodorant option that actually works. I've tried all kinds of different natural options before, but this one actually works. So first of all, welcome to my channel. I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't already so we can continue to grow this community. Also hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and please share and comment below. Comment below what natural deodorant has worked for you. So here's my secret. Milk of magnesia. I got this at Walmart. It was $4 and something cents for 12 fluid ounces. I heard about this many years ago now, but I never tried it because I always used a natural deodorant with baking soda in it because I always thought like, well, I'm one of those people that has to use baking soda in order to not stink. Well, I was running out of my natural homemade deodorant with the baking soda in it, but it was, it was a little too irritating for my armpits. They were just getting very red and irritated, and it was probably because I didn't have enough shea butter or other soothing ingredients in it. But I just wanted to give the milk of magnesia a try, and so you just kind of shake up this bottle, and then I just apply some to my fingers. Now, what I'd really like to do eventually is to actually pour it into a roller, like one of those rollers that you could make your own body products with. And you could certainly do that, and that would make it easier to apply, especially if you're traveling or something. But I just kept it in its original bottle, and I just apply it with my fingers. And, you know, you don't have to apply very much either, just enough to cover your armpits. And I have found that it keeps the stink away. Even when your hormones are kind of raging. So I encourage you to give it a try. Hopefully it works for you as well. It's very soothing and non-stinging. Like even when I was recovering from my armpits just being very red and irritated, this was actually very soothing to apply. So even if you have had irritated armpits, like after a few days, it really goes down. I think the next day after using it, my armpits were significantly less red, and now I have no redness or irritation after using it for months. So I would love to hear in the comments if you have tried milk of magnesia as a deodorant alternative, or if you have tried other things. I've tried the crystal deodorant before, and that did not get rid of my smell at all. And I've tried some other natural ones, and if a deodorant doesn't have baking soda in it, it does not work for me. But this one did work. So let me know if you know of any other things that have worked for you, and I hope you found this video to be helpful. May God bless you and your families.